Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will discuss about how to declare a function in Python, and second is local and global variable in Python. First is how to declare a function in Python. How to declare a function in Python. To declare a function in Python, we can use the def keyword and followed by the name parameter list in parenthesis and a clone. Means if I show one example, if I write one example, def first we need to write down def keyword. After that, function name. Suppose I want to add two number. Add number is function name, and declare the parameters a and b, clone. After that, sum equal to a plus b, and after that sum return sum. Here in this example, add number is a function name, a and b is a parameter, and calculate the sum of the value of a and b. Now if I write down here result equal to add number a and b. The value of a and b is 10 and 20. 30. Okay, 30. If I print the result and run it, add number. Sorry, here I write ad. Oh, sorry. Add number. Again I run it, and value is 40. 30 plus 10, 40. Now if I again another example is, if I subtract two number, def sub number x and y, sub equal to a minus x minus y, and return subtract sub, and result is sub number x comma y, and x value of x is I give 50 and value of y is 20. If I print the result, save it and run it, 30. 50 minus 20 is 30. Now I need to go to the second question, local and global variable in Python. Local and global variable in Python. In Python, there are two types of variable: local variable and global variable. Global variable are declared outside the function, and whereas local variable is declared within the function. Local variable are declared within the function and global variable are declared outside the function. We can access global variable anywhere, means inside or outside both of the function, but in the local variable cannot access anywhere outside of the function. For example, For example, def, I already told you, to declare a function we need to write def. We need to use function1 x equal to I love to eat, print x, print, oh sorry, print x, and now declare the function1. If I run this program, I love to eat. It is the example of local variable, because local variable, local variable. This is the example of local variable, because in the local variable, I already told you, we cannot access the value of the local variable inside. We can access the value of local variable inside the function. Global variable we can access global variable anywhere. Anywhere means inside and outside. Here I write the example of local variable. You see, I write down these things inside a function, not outside a function. If I print of x, I want to access this x outside of the function. It give error. If I print it, it give error, because it is not a global variable, it is a local variable. That's why I cannot access the variable outside of the function. Now if I write here global equal to x, and now if I try to access the value of x and print it outside of the function, it printed. Here you see, I love to eat, I love to eat. The value of x inside variable value of x is I love to eat, and it also printed outside of the function. Global variable we can declare the global variable using global keyword. Using global keyword. Here I give another example. Here, if a equal to 1, def function 1 and print it inside function. Def function 2, and if I print inside function. Yeah, def function 3. Global, I already told, in the global variable, if I write, we can access the global variable using global keyword, global a, and write down a equal to 3 6, a equal to 6, print inside function 3 a. function 2 and function 1. If I try to print all the things, print global a function 1, print function 2 and print global a bit function. Now if I try to run these things, here value come global 1, value of a is 1, and inside function also the value of a is 1 in the global and second one is also in the global value is 1, and inside function also value of a is 1, and also third function global value is 1 and inside function value is 6, because here I declare a equal to 6. Now again I replied these things. uh, in the global and local and global variable are two types of variable in Python. Global variable are declared outside of the function, and local variable are declared within the function. We can access the global variable uh, in the outside and inside both. Anywhere we can access the global variable, but in the local variable we cannot uh, we cannot access the local variable outside of the function. We can only access the variable in the inside of the function. Okay, that's all for today's. Please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.